Hi guys, hope you are good. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be sharing with you how you can fix touch lagging and delay issue in your device Infinix Smart 7. But before we talk about that, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated. Let's watch this complete video.